Hey! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M52 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can use pop-up view on this device. Firstly, open one of your apps like Play Store, then click on this button with 3 lines and tap on the icon of an app. Over here you need to select Open in pop-up view, and as you can see now I can use my app in this little window over here. If you wish to move it, you need to hold this blue line and place it wherever you wish to. If you wish to use it, overlay other apps, you need to just open one of your apps and use both of them. If you wish to go back from this mode, you need to click on this button with 3 lines again and just close your app in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!